Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, it's part 3 of series how we were doing our renovation in the room. And today we're just gonna have a therapeutical session, let's say, and you can see how we're gonna clean, how we're gonna take all the dust off the furniture and enjoy the process. During this video, I'm gonna show you guys what we've been up to, and yeah, just relax and enjoy. Guys, I add a little bit more water than I usually do when I wash the floors. The main reason is it's gonna soak off any leftovers of my renovation. And then with this silicone tool, I guess with the silicone tool, you can scrape off any leftovers. And you're not gonna damage your floors. Guys, I can't believe that we're finally moved back in the room and it's so much better. I'm gonna clean any dust, any leftovers from this renovation. And right now I'm gonna be probably purchasing some design stuff and design pieces. Not really design, but organize the space, organize everything before I'm completely satisfied with the final result. Well, I'm not really sure if it's gonna be super quick. Of course, we're gonna get some stuff in, but yeah, we need some stuff to organize. Let me show you what we have right now. So we finally got the curtains back. This is one curtain and this is the second curtain because I was literally dying to sleep without curtains, especially when the sun is hitting you in your eyes. Then yeah, I told you this is such a bummer right here. It's because the plywood was not even and I tried to cover the hole and then it created a bigger hole. So yeah, that's so bad. But the rest of the wallpaper is so pretty. I love it so much. And I love the molding right here. I love the lamp, the color. We're gonna add a couple of frames around the mirrors and yeah, we're not professionals, not looking perfect, but yeah. For now, it is what it is. Finally, we had a chance to clean all the floors from any dust and again, some leftovers. With the hack that I showed you guys, yeah. The floors are pretty good and clean.
keeping myself so busy, pushing out the misery, trying to find the peace in me. I wanna be, I wanna find myself, but again, it's always a phase. I wanted to stay, no, you don't understand. I've been losing myself, I've been losing myself. I've been keeping myself so busy, pushing out the misery, trying to find the peace in me. I wanna be, I wanna find myself, but again, it's always a phase. I wanted to stay, no, you don't understand. I've been losing myself, I've been losing myself. I've been keeping myself so busy, pushing out the misery, trying to find the peace in me. I wanna be, I wanna find myself, but again, it's always a phase. I wanted to stay, no, you don't understand. I've been losing myself, I've been losing myself. I've been keeping myself so busy, pushing out the misery, trying to find the peace in me. I wanna be, I wanna find myself, but again, it's always a phase. I wanted to stay, no, you don't understand. I've been losing myself.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's small experiment, and my next video is going to be really soon. I'm going to share the other stuff that we were doing around the room, and I'm going to see you next time. Love you all. Bye bye.